भारत देशाची धर्म आणि जातीचेर विभागणी करपाचो यत्न जाता आणि भाजप सरकार ताच्या आड कारवाय करना असो आरोप काँग्रेसीन केला। काँग्रेस हाच्या विरोधांत लढो उबारतले आणि ताचोच भाग म्हण काँग्रेस पुराय गोंय आणि देशभर चेतना यातना करतले आणि लोकां मदीं जागृताय करतले अशे गोंय प्रभारी दिनेश गुंडू रावान म्हणला। काँग्रेसच्या नवसंकल्प शिबिराच्या कार्यशाळे उपरांत तो उलयतालो।
India was formed for everybody. India does not have a religion. The people of India have got religions and they can follow any religion they want. So today that very idea is actually being destroyed by the present dispensation. The idea of all communities staying together, the idea that everybody has got a part, has got a role, has got rights in this country, that is being taken away by the actions of the BJP, by targeting specific communities, by trying to create divisions, by fanning hate, by allowing people to speak in the most hateful language and to indulge in violence and not taking any action against them. And anybody else who are opposed to them, even a small mistake, the severest of actions are taken. They are put in jail. They are put under all kinds of anti-terror laws, anti-national laws, sedition. So there's a clear divide. The country is getting divided. So to unite the people, to bring everyone together, it's our role, and that will be one of the main focus of this 75-kilometer yatra.